guys, this is Ryan with BURNWOOD Bushcraft. Today I'm doing a review on black and white fire starter, the final word in fire starters. I got sent a package with a bunch of this stuff. Just check out all of this awesome stuff that you get with black and white fire starters. Black and white fire starters. Nice gentleman. I've spoke with him on the phone and had contact. He has his phone number on the packet with instructions. If you have questions, you can actually call him yourself and he will talk to you about his product. But this is the black and white fire starter kit. I'm going to post his link in the description to his website. This gentleman named Paul, he makes every bit of this organically at his home and packages it himself. And all the materials used to make this stuff is all natural. So let's go ahead and go into one of these packets. This right here is what they call the cupcake fire starter. It's a blend of cotton and certain blends of wood, pine wood. We're going to go ahead and light up one of these and see how long it burns. You don't want to burn it in the plastic. You want to take the plastic out. So we're going to try a whole one of these things. You can actually cut that up into quarters or sections and try to conserve it as much as you want. We're going to give this a go with the fire steel. All right, it's been about 10 full minutes, and this cupcake fire starter is still going. Still going. So that right there shows you just one of those cupcake fire starters will help you out in a bad situation where you need a fire fast. That's what these products are designed for. Is when you need a fire fast, you don't have time to waste. Still going. Each pack of fire starter kit comes with some stick matches. This right here, black and white fire starter kindling. There's 8 pieces of wood in here. What this is fat wood. It's super impregnated, super duper fat wood. He infuses like like wax and certain other compounds into this wood to really make it juicy wood. So what I want to do right now is I'm just going to make a few shavings out of one of these pieces. So now let's fire steel just a little pile of the shavings of this wood. There's a piece of the wood right there. It's a little bit longer. Same stuff. Check that out, man. Some smaller pieces. Fire chips. Just like with any wood, you want to kind of do some shavings or break it apart or split it. You could actually take your knife and split that. This is a little fire tin. Get this open here. Got some shavings and got some real fine stuff in there, kind of like fat wood dust. But all this is infused with this special blend of all natural, no chemicals, super juicy goodness. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a little bit of this out, some of this dust and stuff. So there's a little, so now we got a little pile of the shavings. And again, I'm going to strike this with my fire steel. This is just a canister of shavings. Zoom in on that. Look at that. You see how easy that was? Look at that. You see how easy that split? Check that out. That stuff is just roaring, man. So you got your kindling ready on the side. All you gotta do is throw that stuff right on there. You got a fire. Quick, fast, in a hurry. Got the cupcake over here. It's smoldering. It's going out. That cupcake, it burnt for a solid almost 15-20 minutes. I'm not lying. So I highly recommend this product. Check them out. Link's gonna be right here and in the description. Black and white fire starters. If you need something in your backpack that will get you a fire quick in a sticky situation where everything's wet, this right here will do it. It's not wet out here today, so I couldn't really test it in wet conditions as it starts to sleet on me right now. But all you have to do to enter the giveaway, I'd rather do it this way. Email me burnwoodbushcraft@gmail.com. burnwoodbushcraft@gmail.com. In the subject, put your channel name. In the body of the email, I want you to put the link to your channel and just say I'm in for the giveaway. That's all you got to do. And I will respond to you saying I got it. And please go over there and check him out. You'll find that his prices are very affordable. If you want a good fire starter on a budget, I recommend it. I'm sold on it. I just tested it out and I think it's awesome.